Hey groomers, Tyler and Smokey here, coming out of Colorado. Wanted to show you how to tell when your blade is dead. I know I've covered this before, but here we go again. See all this stuff in the back? That blade is dead because the rails are sharpened off. You got the back rail here and the front rail. You look from the side, they're not even there anymore. So what the rails do is allow for heat and hair and expansion of the metal to be able to keep working. So when the rails are gone like that, the hair can't get out, it heats up real quick, it won't cut very well. It might work for a minute or two, but then it's not going to work. So take the money that you would have a blade sharpened and invest it into a new blade. Because here's a blade I just sharpened. You can see all this black stuff in there. That's grit and metal shavings. So every time we sharpen it, the rails get lower and lower, but as you can see, this one's still good. You can still see the rails. This one's bad. So if your sharpener is still sharpening blades like this, you need to watch out and make sure you're not paying for this, because this is no good. Take your money and invest it into a new blade that'll last you another few years and will work. This won't work, so don't use it. Give it to your sharpener to recycle for you, or if you keep them and recycle them, that's great. But I always ask people to donate their old blades. So, hope that helps some of you, and hope you have a good day. Bye.